Good morning, traders. Alla Peters on June 15th. This is FOMC morning. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader understands it's a waste of time being here. Price is stuck, buyers picking up the steam. This is your trading range. Software shows you this clearly. And as we discussed with students well before market open, intelligent trader is not here this morning. It's a waste of time being here. So if you're trading this junky market, you are gambling. You're engraving into your subconscious extremely aggressive trading. Every single time market stuck in the middle, intelligent trader walks away. This is extremely aggressive trade. That's it. Intelligent trader also pays attention to intelligent news. Bloomberg this morning. What did Bill Gates said? Calling NFT and Bitcoin a joke, a scam. Major news for the world, of course. Bill Gates' opinion is respected. Bitcoin responded, collapsing more since that event. Because every single person who's been convinced that Bitcoin cannot be hacked, seeing time and time again it's being hacked non-stop, with hundreds of millions of dollars at the loss. So if you have not seen documentary on Netflix, do not believe anyone. Please do watch. Multiple documentaries keep coming out. Multiple news is out about Bitcoin. This is a system in front of you, well before Bitcoin crash. So while S&P showing you run, do not gamble with your money. This is broker's heaven. This is what market does at least 40% of the time. Let's review Bitcoin and other instruments, shall we? Bitcoin crashes on. Do not be surprised if Bitcoin collapsing to drastically lower levels. 12,000 all the way to 600 level. True story, complete heartbreak. To get the phone call from retired doctor who is holding Bitcoin till 100 because he signed up with some crypto service that said Bitcoin going to 100. This is what I tell you in the next life, not in this one. So please, stop gambling with your money. Bitcoin not heading to 100 anytime soon. With Alpha Fibonacci system, Bitcoin showing clearly much more space to the downside. Next. Again, if I take you back on Bitcoin, while S&P reminding you, the most important moment in your trading starts when you stop losing money, when you stop wasting your time. Trading S&P this morning is gambling. Let's review Bitcoin and other stocks. Here's Bitcoin with Alpha Fibonacci system, going back a year. You are not a gambler. You do not listen to the hype. June 2021, a year ago. This chart from this trading room. Global convention is on in Miami, Bitcoin collapsing. Of course, it's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Doesn't matter what Mayor of Miami says about paying your real estate taxes with Bitcoin. You are intelligent strategic trader. You have zero interest being majority. You understand if trading on the hype and news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. Bitcoin selling off. No matter what's being said at the global crypto convention. So while S&P reminding you extremely important event again in your trading, to run, not to waste your time and money staring at the screen, not to pay for your broker's vacation, let's keep reviewing Bitcoin even more. As oil news is next, and we will review oil. Here's Bitcoin before the crash. First crash of 2021. January 2021. You're an intelligent trader. You're making money with Bitcoin because you're buying Bitcoin at the bottom. Let me remind you how Alpha Fibonacci traders trade Bitcoin. So here's the account statement of the student who's trading Bitcoin. A CEO keeps updating me non-stop. Stunning work by intelligent trader who is riding the power. That's it. Crash on Bitcoin is a gift. CEO is not speculating. CEO enjoying the ride. Look at the performance success rate, 86.76%, making $17.81 on a dollar. CEO been coming to classes 2 o'clock in the morning, riding powerful moves on Bitcoin, not trading this junk. CEO also trading S&P, of course, and oil, and riding Bitcoin from the bottom up, not losing the money, not listening to the hype. Headlines: $182 million in Bitcoin stolen, billions and billions hacked, non-stop, this pouring. So please protect your investments. Be intelligent strategic trader. Understand where to enter and exit your trade. Ride the power. Do not hold Bitcoin exponentially. Rules are met, take a trade. Rules are met, exit long. This is strategic moves. This is how you trade Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's another 70% crash on Bitcoin happening right now. It is not done. So no matter what Bill Gates says or not, you are not long on Bitcoin. You knew this far in advance. It's identical thing, trading S&P or trading Bitcoin. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. Choice is yours. Let's go to oil, as oil news is next. Again and again and again, we discussed the trader who is buying S&P capturing extremely aggressive moves. No shorts on the scanner, only longs. But the move is extremely aggressive. This is a software. What are we discussing with students? Trader who decided to take such an aggressive long, understand. This is a crucial exit point. Scale out now. Move your stop outside of break even. This is software for Ninja Trader 8. And if the price collapses right now, this is what price does 80+% of the time. This is strategic, intelligent chess. This is how you trade S&P or Bitcoin. There was absolutely no shorts on S&P. None. We discussed this with traders well before market open. So when you understand how to trade strategically, you can trade anything you choose. Let's go to Tesla. Let's go to oil. And that's ultimate reminder of the precision of the system. No matter what you trade. Are you with me? That's it. That's the reason my students are dearest friends for life. Let's go to Tesla. Remember this crucial support on Bitcoin. This is critical key support on Tesla now. This is where market is. This is a crucial moment on Tesla, 600 level. Tesla drastically less bearish than Bitcoin. This is key historical level on Tesla. But again, if I take you back on Tesla a year before, this is Tesla. Key level remains. Intelligent trader knows this with a single level, with a single glimpse. That's it. So when you do trade Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade on any platform you choose. You can trade any instrument. As so many traders come to me dying to be day traders, but when I show and remind every single day it's a psychological test, you don't need to do that. You can enjoy the system long term, looking at the charts once a week, looking at the charts once a month. This is versatile system, traded globally on all instruments. Historical level on Tesla now, 600. Single glimpse, all will be taught in tomorrow's class. So again, this is software of NinjaTrader 8. I project this software on purpose on 1 minute chart. I can project software on any chart you choose. In day trading, you are tested to the core every single minute, every single hour. That's it. This is precision, this is a power. Intelligent trader understands and knows this from the single class. Key moment, non-stop. Reversal from reversal zone. This is software for NinjaTrader 8. This is your brilliant and intelligent mind on any platform you choose. Let's go to oil, shall we? Before oil news, let's review oil. So here's oil with Alpha Fibonacci System since 2015. This is a crash, this is sell-off. So when oil collapsing and reaching the critical key level a year later, this is starting place to buy from. Rules are met, you take a trade. As a day trader, you're riding institutional power. You understand extremely well, this is not the place to short near. This is a place to buy from. And when oil starts skyrocketing, this is the only level that oil needs to break to skyrocket higher. And when oil does this, 2 years later, you are riding the power. And you know many months in advance that reversal zone where oil will crush and reverse from with high 80% probability. The crash on oil on 2018 was something we have never seen before. And price is telling you that oil collapsing to catastrophic levels next. You see it in a single live class. It changes your trading forever. Skip forward when oil breaking critical key level 55. Oh no! You know all of this far in advance. Can you trade options with the system? Of course. So 2 years later, catastrophic collapse continues on oil, pointing to negative number. Never seen this before. Negative number on futures, unheard of. And when oil reverses from the negative number, you're enjoying the ride. Breathtaking, identical price. 2020 repeating exact same structure again. Charts are twins, 2020 and 2016. You decide what you want to trade. Price keeps repeating identical moves. And when oil overextending itself, 2021, well before the war, you're extremely well prepared. You know that oil heading higher and higher and higher. So again, you knew many months in advance where reversal zone will be on oil. So if I take you back on oil too, let's go back 6 months ago, January 3rd. Oil moving higher. This is your critical buy point. Oil currently in massive bearish correction. And if I take you back on oil news, you would know very clearly. 90 level, historical support on oil. Holding the key to oil crush. That's it. Again, massive bearish news played out in the last 2 weeks on oil. massive oversupply on oil? Let's review. So here's a very powerful reminder. Crude oil inventory 7:30 a.m. on June 5th. My goodness. Take a look at this. The number is extremely bearish, which means oil oversupply. Oil keeps skyrocketing because institutional support respected. There is zero reason to jump on short if institutional support remains intact. Intelligent trader understands this part. Do you remember Bitcoin when it crashed through this level? Do you remember 216 on Apple? I constantly remind you that it's exact same thing. You decide what you want to trade. That's it. The sky's the limit if you obey the rules. This morning oil extremely overextended. This morning oil extremely high. Let's dive a little deeper, a little closer on day trading chart. So this is your day trading chart. This is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, you know, with the system far in advance. You apply the rules, you apply the levels, and you understand. Bullish rally overextended, not the place to buy oil here. If you're trading little small accounts and if you're day trading oil. That's it. Sell-off overextended. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to understand. You do not want to buy oil this morning. You don't. Oil in brutal pain. Very little space to the upside. Sellers more powerful on day trading chart on oil. This is a brick wall to the upside. This is a problem. This level is out, oil heading lower. That's it. It's a crawl, it's a pain. Ultimate place to short from is here. Place to look for long is here. But only when rules are met you can take a trade. This is mess, this is middle. Single glimpse, exact same thing on S&P. Oil been stuck in mess for the last 12 hours. And if I convert this chart to 5, this is oil on day trading chart. Run as far as you can. Brokers haven't in a play, it's a major mess. So when market testing you to the core and reminding you, markets are not black and white. You should not be in the markets at all times. Brokers haven't brutal nasty markets playing out at least 40% of the time. That's it. Oil is a mess, it's a crawl, it's a pain. And you know this well before oil news. To the upside, this is a problem. Short from here. To the downside, monitor for long here. Avoid the mess. Let's take a break before oil news. Historical low on pound before oil news. If I take you back on pound to a year ago. Again, ask yourself what was happening a year ago. Horrific. COVID. London in lockdown. So why in the world is pound skyrocketing from the bottom when London in complete lockdown? It's the bottom. You're buying the bottom, you're selling the top. Can you do that? This was the biggest rally on pound never seen before while London on lockdown. Breathtaking. Exit long at reversal zone. Look to buy the bottom. And that's what price does time and time again. So pretty please do not speculate, do not gamble with your money. Trade strategically, do not think as majority does. You want to become top 1%? You need to stop being the bottom 99, the bottom 95. To become top 1, top 5% requires entirely different mindset. That's it. Brutal nasty crash on pound. Historical level, historical low. Next. Here's a chart from this trading room from 2016 on pound. Many years in advance, you knew that pound heading drastically lower. You are not in panic when pound collapsing 60, 70, 80%. You are not. You knew this far in advance. You're rising the short power, and you understand why pound reversed during COVID crisis from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. You knew this months and years in advance. And that's the reason for bullish rally on pound during 2020. And that's the reason for crash on pound. Again, huge potential for move drastically lower, as you see in the first live class. This is where pound is now. Pound testing the ultimate low. Historical events across the world on multiple currencies, on multiple Forex pairs. And again, you knew this months and years in advance. No speculation, no gambling here. Intelligent strategic trading only. No matter if you trade Tesla, oil, Bitcoin, or pound. Oil news is next. So here we are, traders, 3 minutes before oil news. Everyone extremely well aware that oil is a mess right now, well before the news. Again, price is testing you to the core this entire morning, showing you very clearly. You must obey the rules. You must understand when market is a mess. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin or oil or Tesla or S&P. I bring up to your attention oil news so you can see instantly the power of the system without any delays. Black and white. Simple. Before the news, middle always a mess. Only when oil will reach critical level, for day trading oil will become tradable. On institutional chart, oil overextended. This is a mess. Bearish correction is in, but as long as institutional support remains intact, buyers fully in charge. Oil at historical high this morning. This is key first support to the downside. Selling pressure picking up this steam. All depends on this day trading level on oil. Middle is a mess. Major mess before the news. And that's how intelligent trader trades, respecting news due to volatility, not using hype and noise, trading strategically, proactively, without reactive gambling behavior. Oil is a mess before the news. So I'm changing the chart to 1 minute so you can see to the tick the events on oil. The major mess, single glimpse, intelligent trader needs to understand. Oil being untradeable for many hours to come before oil news. Avoid the middle, enjoy the top, enjoy this level. Everything else is a broker's money printing machine. Brokers love messy markets. That's it. So here's the oil news at any moment. And just to remind you what played out on S&P, as you can see very clearly, the long reached critical reversal zone, S&P collapsing, but being a major mess at this level, as expected. Again, if price collapsing as low as possible, it's a beautiful thing. Intelligent trader never shorts near the green level. Intelligent trader understands your only option to buy from, as we discussed well before market open with my brilliant, intelligent, strategic traders. So here we go. Oil news is negative. We have extremely high oversupply on oil despite the war. Oil is stuck, oil is frozen, not doing anything. Of course, it's a mess. Let broker print money. Do not be part of it. Do not pay for your broker's vacations. And that's a stunning lesson on oil and S&P this morning. And that's how intelligent trader trades. So I hope you enjoyed this morning. I hope you're joining us soon. Tomorrow is a historical class. We are in historical events. Bread. Stunning, spectacular work. Non-stop, showing very clearly. So, up $71,000 since April 14th. Almost quadrupled his account. So let's look on Brad's statements, please. This is the start of the account on April 12th, $15,000. Here's the start of the account on June 10th. Are you clear on this? 2 months of trading, as legend says. If Brad can do this, so can you. Black and white. Never get sold. What's possible with Alpha Fibonacci System? News or not, war or not, COVID or not, a whole lot of money to be made by being disciplined, intelligent trader. So if you want to trade like Brad, if you want to trade like Richard, if you want to trade like Clanton, like Kurt, like Trader Share every single morning, this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. The sky's the limit if you make an effort with Alpha Fibonacci System. Thank you for sharing and inspiring others. You can become next Brad. You can become next Richard. You can become next Clanton. You can become next Kurt. Students share each and every day how and what they trade. Every trader different account, every trader different instrument, every trader different background. So if you want to trade as intelligent strategic trader, no matter if it's war, if it's COVID, no matter whatever extreme news is, no matter if it's hype, no matter if it's Bill Gates, no matter whatever is being said on the news, as strategic intelligent trader, as proactive trader, I look forward to working with you. You can trade Alpha Fibonacci System on any platform you choose, on any instrument you choose, or you can choose software for Ninja Trader 8 with multi-market scanner, live classes, live trading room, video library, and modules. System traded globally, from micro accounts to major Wall Street firms, in Palm Beach, in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, in London, all over the world. Listen to podcasts. You can be Ken, you can be Richard, you can be David, you can be Carlton, Emmanuel, Theo. View students' performance from all over the world. View emails I receive and choose from option appropriate for you. Only one spot available for private mentoring. Savings $8,000 for this ultimate package that includes group course, video library, modules, lifetime system for all platforms, or lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8. Second package, group course. You receive instant access as soon as you sign up, and you receive access to videos, and you receive access to trading room like classes. If you cannot attend classes, you have hundreds and hundreds of videos of previous live classes to watch. I teach you exact same thing I teach to JP Morgan traders. Choice is yours, what package you choose. Tomorrow's historical class, tomorrow's a critical event. We are in historical times. It is the beginning of much more extreme markets as you instantly see in a single class. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. It's been my joy and honor being with you here this morning. Trading room will reopen tomorrow morning.